Welcome to Lin House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love.
The Japanese-style house, a masterpiece of traditional architecture, stood nestled amidst a serene landscape. Its exterior, a warm, honey-colored wood, weathered gracefully over time, blending seamlessly with the surrounding greenery. The entrance, a low-hanging torii gate, painted a vibrant vermilion, marked the transition from the bustling world to the tranquility within. Stepping inside, one was greeted by a tatami-matted genkan, a traditional entryway where shoes were removed, leaving behind the dust and worries of the outside world. A small, stone basin, filled with fresh water, awaited guests for ceremonial hand washing, a ritual of purification. The house, a series of interconnected rooms, flowed seamlessly into each other, creating a sense of open space and fluidity. Sliding shoji screens, made of translucent rice paper, served as movable walls, allowing for flexibility and adaptability depending on the time of day and the season. At the heart of the home, nestled amongst the rooms, lay a meticulously crafted Japanese garden. A small, koi pond, shimmering in the sunlight, was the centerpiece of this tranquil oasis. Colorful koi fish glided gracefully through the water, their movements reflecting the sunlight and creating a mesmerizing dance. A carefully placed stone lantern, adorned with delicate moss, cast long, dramatic shadows across the moss-covered rocks and the miniature bonsai trees. A small, wooden bridge arched gracefully over a babbling stream, leading to a secluded seating area nestled amongst the greenery. The air, fragrant with the scent of pine and blooming flowers, was filled with the soothing sounds of trickling water and the chirping of birds. Separated by the sliding shoji screens, offered a unique perspective of the garden. Sunlight filtered through the rice paper screens, casting a soft, ethereal glow upon the tatami mats and the low-lying tables. In the main living area, a traditional irori, a sunken hearth, provided a focal point for family gatherings. During the colder months, a warm fire would crackle within the irori, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The house, a testament to the beauty of simplicity and the harmony of man and nature, offered a peaceful retreat from the chaos of modern life. It was a place where one could truly connect with the natural world and find solace in the tranquility of the moment.
Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.